Hello. How are you feeling? Would you like to tell me something about your day? Is there something that stands out in your mind that made you feel uncomfortable or sad? How did that happen? I want you to know that what you felt is perfectly natural. Anyone in your situation would have felt the same. Now, is there something about your day that made you feel good? Is there something that brought you great happiness? Good. I'm glad to hear that. Did you have any personal interactions that were particularly meaningful to you? If so, how did that interaction change the way you feel about yourself? Do you find yourself having these kinds of interactions often? What I want to do is explore how these things that happen to you within the context of a single day affect your overall outlook on life. Are you ready to begin?